Well, summer vacation's almost over for thousands of Bay Area students, children. Some stores are already offering specials on school supplies. In the Taking Action for Your Money report, Dave Reynolds shows us how some mothers plan to find these bargains.
The signs and supplies are everywhere. In 36 days, students in Hillsborough County will end summer activities like dance camping, hanging out with friends all day to go back to school, and stores already are competing for parents' attention. Buy one, get one free. Specials on glue, crayons, markers, anything to capture the attention of children who may tag along for the ride. Tampa's Lisa Schmedeke is the mother of 3 daughters and has her own system when it comes to finding deals.
I actually wait till the end because I do notice that parents start shopping earlier, and so I'll wait till it's a couple days before they go to school. Plus, this way the kids aren't playing in their backpacks trying to use their crayons and their markers. But I will say that the best part of school supply shopping is the lunch boxes.
Carla Shepard has been teaching for 8 years at Coleman Middle School. Not only does she buy supplies for her own classes, but she'll spend about $75 to get her nephews started on the year. She says it's a stressful time for many parents.
Very much, very much. Only because they can get the generic stuff, but then at least in middle school, each teacher requires their own supply. So it's to get the basics, it's great, but then it's like a mad rush after school starts to make sure you have everything for every class.
And there's something else for parents to consider when they're buying school supplies, and that is the Florida back-to-school sales tax holiday begins August 12th and runs through the 14th. In Tampa, Dave Reynolds, ABC Action News.